The HSA extension identifies a Wurm Online game archive file containing game asset packages for the Wurm Online Sandbox MMO. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these game data files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated HSA file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. HSA files are game asset archive files. For Wurm Online, a sandbox MMORPG by Code Club. They contain packaged game resources including textures, models, sounds, and configuration data loaded by the Wurm game client during gameplay sessions. Wurm Online HSA files use a compressed archive format, packaging game assets organized by category for efficient loading by the Java-based game client. They are managed by the game's automatic update system and stored in the game installation directory. There's a direct software link between HSA and Wurm Online by Code Club AB. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows may detect the file type, but game engines or modding tools are required to interpret it. We need to identify a functional opener. Right-click the HSA file and choose Open With. Prioritize Wurm Online if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. If your HSA file will not open yet, do not panic. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your HSA file. First, verifying game files. If Wurm Online shows missing textures or crashes, use the game launcher's file verification feature. The launcher checks HSA file integrity and re-downloads corrupted or missing packages. Navigate to the launcher settings for manual file verification options. Next, locating game data. Wurm Online stores HSA files in the game installation directory under the packs subfolder. The game client downloads and updates these files automatically through the launcher. Do not modify HSA files as changes may cause game client errors. Finally, troubleshooting issues. If game assets fail to load, delete the affected HSA files from the packs directory and restart the Wurm launcher. The client will re-download missing packages. Ensure sufficient disk space is available for the complete game asset download. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.